King, Coupe HVAC Chronicles. Today we're gonna take off this filter for this water fountain. So if you hungry, you know I'm hungry, you know my slogan. Let's eat. All right, guys, we're back. Welcome back. This was installed 4/24/19, so it's time for it to be changed. It's 2021 July, so let's turn this up. That means it off. Let's turn. We're supposed to turn. This thing been on here for a while. Let's turn it back and forth. This thing is hard to turn. It shouldn't be that much. Oh, God. Hold up, I'll be right back, guys. All right, I got it out, guys. A little water came out, but I had to use both hands. Put some muscle to it. But that's how it goes out. Let me show you how to install it. Let's put this one right here. So we got a fresh one. All right, here come my new one. Just took the plastic off, it's a new one. Let's go. Put it up in there and turn it. Hold up. All right, y'all see that? Let me turn it, show y'all again. Damn. Turn this back on. Hear the water coming through. Let the air get out. Make sure you guys write the date on there too. Just write it somewhere in here. You can put it down here as a QBC. QBR, what is that? QBR or something like that? Where you scan it and then it'll show you the instructions and everything once you scan it with your phone. All right. So make sure your water back on. To turn it off, you would do that. Why is it a piece of hair? Y'all see that piece of hair? What is it? Let me get that hair off me. Hold on. Hold on. It's like Shanae hair. Y'all see that? Shanae got her hair on me. Get that hair off of me, Shanae. All right. So that's off. Turn that on. Then you're gonna righty tighty, lefty loosey. Can't go wrong with that. Get the air out. Then we back to normal. Oops. See, you gotta get the air out, guys. So let's turn this down a little bit. Ooh, still everywhere. There's a lot of air in there, guys. See, that's why it's coming out like that, because you got a lot of pressure. Just trying to find its normal rate of pressure. Ooh, that's everywhere. Y'all see that? Ooh. Ooh. Back to normal, guys. That's how you do it. Now let's look what we're doing right now, guys. 7, 6, 21. All right, that's what you're supposed to do when you're changing the filter. And I think they like, how much is they a piece? $100 a piece, guys. So if you got 10, y'all do the math. That's $1,000. All right, peace.